Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem of Nioh 3 which says fatal error and this code and this address. So how you can fix this, let's get started. First go over to Google Chrome and then search for DDU driver, display driver and installer, and then what you need to do is download it. Once you download this, just double click on this application and then select GPU and then click on clean and restart, highly recommended. Once you do this, just restart your PC and then hopefully your problem solved. And if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.